And welcome to room 2006 on the Disney Fantasy. This room does not come with a Danielle, I'm afraid. However, not a bad sized room, not the worst sized room or the best sized room we've ever had on a Disney cruise, but there we go. Where should we start, Danielle? Where do you want to begin? Hanging a lanyard? Okay, that's an interesting way to start. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll turn the camera to you and you can do the door that I'm currently resting against.
Seamless transition. Ta-da!
Key to the world card goes in here for electricity. Ah.
Ah. That was Paul behind the door. This is the toilet room, so this is a split bathroom layout. Go careful. Step. Don't make that mistake in the middle of the night.
Cinco, ses, siete, ocho.
5, 6, 7, 8.
But it's the Spanish steps.
Unfortunately, he's here for the next 3 days. And then, hello. Main, hello again. My t-shirt's bunched up. This is your bathroom. So you do actually have a bath. It's quite a deep bath, actually. If you've got kids, easily bath them in there. That sounds like that could be our luggage. Or is that you messing around? With a shower. And if you shut the door,
just hanging around.
oh, let's just. I'm going to carry on with this myself. So here's the bed. Same bed as we had last time. If you've watched that series, has the lamps either side.
Have you shown how big the cupboards actually are now?
Well, I just did because you were in them.
In it. There are actually some stuff in here which you all joking aside, you may want to see. There are plentiful hangers, life jackets, ladder, which we will never need. However, if you have kids, we will show you why this ladder suddenly becomes very relevant. This has plenty of space for clothes.
This is usually where I put my stuff.
And then in this one, which is big enough to fit a 14-stone human. Safe. Bruv.
Oh god. Laundry bag. They do a laundry service. It's an additional charge. More of them. Yeah. Good size. This is a connecting stateroom. So if we were sharing, if we weren't sharing a room, but if we had adjoining rooms, this would be open, and we could sort of open the two rooms together. It's more, I think, for sitting in normally. Anyway, as I was saying, bed, phone, same situation as last time with the sofa, and that up there is a pull-down bunk. So if you've got more than 2 people in this room, they can pull that down. Stateroom host will do that for you, and they'll also put it away during the day. You look a little cramped.
I did it.
You've also got your vanity area, exactly the same as our last one. Here's your TV. This is your fridge.
Oh, Christ.
In here, God, you've got your stationery. These are free. You can take these. We do not have a pen. Good job we don't have a pen. And this is for if you want to order room service breakfast. You just put that out, and it's got all your options. And that is free of charge. Just please give them a tip when they bring it to you. Not included, onboard gift. Not included, peer pressure bag. Are you styling it out because you fell? I'm quite annoyed that I didn't catch that on camera.
I'm just contemplating our next cruise. We'll just go over a couple of bits that you get in your room, or you should get in your room. And again, this does
if you are not a first-time cruiser, you'll get these in your room.
Yeah, so first time you cruise, we explained this very briefly on the last series. We'll explain this every series, so 10-15 seconds ahead if you don't want to hear this again. Cruise once with Disney, you join Castaway Club. It's always at the end of the cruise. It's never at the start of the cruise. So this for us is our 7th cruise, but Disney will recognise this as our 7th cruise at the end of the cruise. When we
it's when you've completed.
Yeah. When you go first cruise, no rewards. 2nd to 5th cruise gets you silver. Then when you do your 5th cruise and you complete your 5th cruise, you become gold members. When you then do 5th cruise and you become gold, you then do up to 10, which is where we will be after we've done the Wish in April at this moment in time, news pending. We will then be to platinum. Platinum is not this colour, it is a lovely sort of platinum colour, funny enough.
Yeah, no, they've changed it. They used to be black lanyards and now they look very much like the silver ones.
Very annoying.
Very annoying.
But anyway, once you've then done platinum, that is 10. You go all the way up to, once you've completed your 25th sailing, you then become pearl.
That's the aim.
That is the aim.
Well,
However,
no, 50 is the aim.
50 is the aim to get your name on Castaway Key. However, there is a bit of a caveat to this. The things you get inside the room are very different each time. You get your lanyards every time, whether you're silver, gold, platinum or pearl, you get lanyards. And I will show, thank you, we are gold, therefore we get these lovely ones.
I have a love-hate with these lanyards. I like to be like, look, I'm gold, but they're quite bulky.
Whereas are gold.
You see the lanyard behind Paul's head.
DVC.
That I've got hung up is a DVC lanyard from a cruise.
Did you know we got DVC?
Did you know we bought more on the ship like 2 months ago? I tend to use that one just because it's a bit more lightweight. This is your wet dry bag. We're probably going to try and gift this to a first-time cruiser. In fact, I know someone who's on their first Disney cruise, so I might message them before we leave the UK and go and drop this off at their room because we don't need it. We've got one. My arm hurts now, so
You also get this down.
Yeah.
Castaway Club bag.
We give that away too. We've got one of those. So I am going to go see if our luggage is out
You know
there.
what we haven't done?
What? Oh God, hold on. You know exactly what's about to happen.
The Olympics are next year. I don't fancy much else's.
Are they?
26 in LA.
Why do I think it was 28?
That's the winter one. Last time, I nearly broke my neck.
You've got a bit more space this time, I think.
What, because I've lost weight?
No, because the table's further back.
Oh, that's quite impressive actually. And then?
And this is why we're on deck 2.
Because otherwise we'll sink the ship.
I'll be dreaming about